morning, everybody. Last day of the year, December 31st, 2025. आज हमारा जो है वो one of my properties उसका sewer की line जो सी है वो clog हो रही है. Like it has happened a few times. हमने decide ये किया कि हम उसकी line को jet करेंगे. Jetting is basically a extremely high pressure washer जो कि हम लाइन में डालेंगे और so I snake the line couple times. Usually मैं ये करता हूँ कि एक या दो दफ़ा करता हूँ. then अगर उससे ज़्यादा हो and हमें snake में कोई ऐसी चीज़ ना मिले जिससे हमें लगे कि line collapsed है, then most likely what we do is we jet it. So these are old homes, somewhere from I believe this one was built in the 50s, 1950s. So क्या होता है कि trees जो सी हैं वो अपनी roots basically वो sewer line में आ जाती हैं, उसकी वजह से आपकी फिर blockages शुरू हो जाती हैं. So I'm hoping that that's the case. When we jet the line, we also camera it. So उसमें हमें नज़र आता है कि क्या हमने साफ़ किया है और किस तरह. So आज आपको वो दिखाएंगे. Extremely cold. It's actually right now 22 degrees. And आपको बाहर दिखाते हैं कि आज everything is white. So this is the drive just coming out. Everything is frozen. It's really beautiful. But it makes jetting harder because it's below freezing. So we have to be careful with the machine. You don't want the plumbers don't want the machines, of course, getting froze and then parts break on these machines. So we're waiting for another couple of hours for the temperature to come up a few more degrees, and then we'll meet them at the property. उसके बाद फिर आपको दिखाते हैं कि जी किस तरह वो हम jetting करेंगे. So the plumber is here. He's gonna start hooking up the jetter and jet the line. I'll show you what the line kind of looks like right now. It's full right now, so they're gonna hook up this jetter and then get that line cleaned out. You'll see that they hooked up a water line into the water system, like a regular system. And we can see the sewer line. We have a clean out here and it's all full. So we opened it just so the water kept, it didn't, just open it to make sure they get the system clean from here. It's easier. You can see they have a jetter here. I've usually seen them on like big equipment, so I believe hey Malone, you put this thing together yourself or? No, not this. Okay. I bought it from American. Oh, okay. Yeah, but I dropped it on the trailer. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, they put it together. Okay. So he bought it from jetter.com, and I guess he just kind of made everything work. So it's basically a couple of big pressure washers. So they're filling the tank right now, and then
the other house been good, huh?
Yeah, that was the problem. It was underneath the house.
Yeah, it was in the house.
Yeah.
So all them times I came, remember I ran the camera, I said, man, everything good.
Everything's good, so.
But it was inside.
Yep. So he's putting the jetter inside the
clean out line, and then I'll connect it to the basically the pressure washer. So Malone's got the jetter going now, and they go down. So once he hit the blockage, it opened it up, and now we're just gonna go down the line and basically clean out the line. And then Malone, you'll put the camera in there too? Okay. So he's coming back little by little, so that way he can hit the pressure in that pipe is. What is the pressure that's on that pipe?
4,000.
4,000 psi
Yeah.
on the head.
Yeah.
So it's around 4,000 psi that's on that head, and it's a bunch of it's a nozzle, and then it basically sprays the water out in all directions of the pipe, and then he's going forward and coming back, so it cleans that line where he thinks. So we're gonna go all the way to the city main, where we basically this line kind of runs all the way underneath this garage, and the tap is going to be somewhere back in there. That's where all the city sewer goes into. So he's going to go all the way to the tap to clean out. Usually you can see we got a couple of big trees around here. We got trees here, and then we have trees back here. So that's where the roots are penetrating into the pipe. So basically the old pipes are crocks. Basically, it's like it's made out of the same material as the old flower pots were made, and basically they were like 4-foot sections, and it's easy for these trees to penetrate through those after a while. So I would say I probably have to jet 1 or 2 properties a year, just because they're older, and if they're not collapsed. If they're collapsed, then the jetting is not going to help. But if it's just roots, then the jetting basically will clean out the roots. Hopefully, once Malone puts the camera down, we'll look through the through the line just to make sure that we don't have any more blockages or roots. It just seems like the jetter's going easily, so it doesn't seem like there's any cracks or breaks in the line. But we'll have once we do the camera, we'll be able to tell what's going on.
Okay. Let it go? Yeah. Then we come in here and do some cleaning.
Gotcha. So the head that Malone, he's pulling this one out, and he said basically they use this head to, and now he's gonna put in a different head that's actually gonna go in. So I'll show you what this head looks like, and you can see it's got just water coming out this hole in the front.
Yeah, it come out the back too.
Oh, okay. Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
So you can see the holes in the back, and then the front, and then he's about to put in a new head, which is gonna basically, oh, it looks, gotcha. I've actually never seen a head like that before.
Yeah, root ranger.
So this is called the root ranger, and he's gonna use that to actually clean out all the roots.
Set it right here. I'm doing it right there. Door leg. Hold on.
And just a reminder, I mean, it's still 28 degrees right now, so Malone was telling me he had to park the equipment inside, and then when he brought the equipment here, it was already running, so it doesn't freeze, just because the temperatures are below freezing right now.
All right, go ahead.
So you can see he's running. Pressure of the jetter going down. And Malone, the pressure on that head is about the same, 4,000 PSI?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had to read. It might be 3.
Okay.
It's a gauge on there.
Gotcha.
But I don't think it's at the full. It go to 5.
Okay.
But,
So you can see that's the control box. He connected, and then the plumber's got his foot on it to bring the pressure into the pipe. And then Malone, twisting that, does it do something or?
It turns the head.
Oh, it turns the head. Okay.
Right.
I ran down the jetter. Now we're about to put the camera down into the line and just check the line out just to make sure if there's any other blockages or roots that we find. And we'll put the jetter down again and clean that out. So we'll show you how the line looks on the camera.
That could be a problem.
Yeah, well, I'm hoping it won't be, but so Malone's got his camera equipment now, and then we'll put down the head on the camera and then watch it on the screen.
So what, they going into a tank?
Yeah, right now it's going to go into a tank, and then eventually it'll go into a the main,
Yeah.
the gravity.
The pump.
Yep. That's the camera, actually. Let me see if I can get in there. It's got a bunch of turns.
Yeah. That's the jetter, man.
Okay.
That's the city.
Is that the city?
Yeah, look like it.
So we actually ran the line with the camera, and we saw that actually the line's all new. It's all PVC all the way to the tap. So we saw that the line's all clear. We just have one spot that we don't know if you're at the city sewer and if the city sewer is running full. But Malone's gonna get in there and rejet it again to see if and he's changing the head again to see if he can get through to that point and see if there's a blockage there, we can clear it out and then run the camera on again.
Okay, bro. Good? Yeah.
So that's where he's gonna use his foot to create pressure, and you can see the
amazing how you got them drops like that over there.
Yeah, that's what I was. I mean, but the sewer line should be.
Should be right there on that property line, yeah.
They can't. I mean, I guess this property could go all the way to that road, but I doubt it.
No.
How long is this hose?
150
feet. It's probably almost 100 foot in.
Yeah, this only go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, right at 100. Right at 100. Times too, roots come from out the city sewer. They come right in the mouth.
Right at the bottom.
Yeah, where it dropped into it.
Yeah, I've seen that plenty of times.
Yeah. That's how this one probably because all the roots like that.
So we're putting the camera down again and just kind of looking through. You can see it's a new PVC line all the way to the city tap. The camera system that we're using is rigid.
So that's like I say, that coming from the city. I would call them.
I
had them to jet their line.
Okay. Their city would jet
Yeah,
it?
because I'm all up in there. You see,
Yeah.
I left it.
Yep.
I left it in there. So the city is right there.
Okay.
Yep. And it's running full. So
Yeah.
once they jet their line, that'll help, you know, with their stuff. It's flowing.
Yep.
Because if it wasn't, it'd be.
All your water would come back.
Yeah. I was in Bloomfield at the temple.
Yeah.
Just a couple days ago in Bloomfield, right on Middle Belt.
Okay.
And theirs was backed up.
Same thing. Okay.
Yeah, the city main.
Wow.
Yep. City main was backed up.
Okay.
In West, in Bloomfield.
Yep.
Middle Belt and what was that, Long Pine or something? Way out there.
Okay.
So, but no, you good. And then if you got any problem, you know.
Sounds good.
Okay. So let's wrap this.
So we looked through the whole line. The line looks good. It's all clean, as I showed you on the camera as well. Looks like the city main is full, so we're gonna call the city and see what they can do, and go from there. As you can see, Malone's he's putting the camera back in, and I'll pull the jetter out, and then we'll be out of here. It's extremely. We actually have snow coming down, probably you can tell, and then the temperature, I think tonight is supposed to go to 10 degrees. I think it's currently around 20 some degrees. Can't feel my feet anymore, so I'm gonna get back in the car and warm up. And I'll share Malone's information if anybody needs to get a line jetted in the Metro Detroit area. This is the guy. I've been using him for probably the last 8 or 9 years now. Probably the best price. He charges us around $850 to jet the line and camera. So I actually was going to call another plumber just to snake it, but I figured it'd be just cheaper to bring in a jetter, get the line all cleaned up, and camera to see how the line looks. So it's good to see that the line's all new, all the way to the city tap. So that's one major expense that it's to replace the line. It's almost $12,000 to $13,000. So having the new line, we bought this property I'd say about 6 or 7 years ago, and we've rehabbed it, did all new drywall, paint, and electrical and plumbing is all new. So having the new sewer line makes a huge difference. Well, I'm gonna get back in the car. I'll see you in the next video. If you like the video and appreciate that we were out in below freezing weather to get this line out and share the story with you, I really appreciate it. You could share and subscribe. Salam. I did most of the video in English because Malone was here and didn't want to be rude talking in a different language. So, but before I'll go, I'll share Malone's information. So I just want to share Malone's information with you. His phone number is 313-828-7500. He's a master plumber. so he can pull permits and all that stuff for you. So if anybody is in Metro Detroit, he's one of the cheapest I know for jetting. Usually there are companies out there that'll charge $1,800 to do jetting. Malone has been doing our jetting for around $850, and I've known him for about 7-8 years. The last, and this guy's out here, taking care of us. So I really appreciate that, because anybody that I called for jetting right now, because the temperatures are below freezing, nobody's coming out. So this guy came in. The next good day was going to be Monday, which was going to be like 40 degrees, and would have been a good day to do jetting. So as you can see, it's all white. Roads are covered. Slipping and sliding all the way home. So अगली वीडियो में आपसे बात होती है. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and Happy New Year from our channel.